Anyway, I'm going to about the Abadum TV so brasso see the big agenda media brew na and then come I be no efa a year COVID-19. See benya ho draw memu na say yenya bi. Kai say yare na gidi sabre na mpane no kra mai. Enipa bi ye bibidro ni ade okuremu yeso. On manya nura me ya select mu mako numbi na kuroma bibidro see be gya tuma ma na ba bonte amia no ma. Center for Scientific Research into Plant Medicine. Na omso ma se din no ye be mo ankasa abodi no e de amaye gise wo mo. Na yebia obi de aduro bia bo maka kyesa bibi wo ho aye nansi so nra to anyebia no wo nsam de bi ene ye ka ho asema na afoforo bei medi nana sei ampofo je ibedi nkomo na nwumre pa anti koso a na ene yen entrance media send ye nimu e wo big agenda media so ya mo akwa ba bia mu de aba Adom TV big agenda media so na se de medi kaka nkomo a ye ba bidie no efa COVID-19 omen yaboa ye ho ampampa se ye pano aduro ana ya keka penifo so do ano do nwere bi nwo na mum de nani abre na ogitum se ye pa ye behunu nti na ye kyekyere boa meka sei me wo Dr. Kofi Donko wo ha on head of innovation and research na afi Eunice Amapong enso na ye kasamafo ama is it the na eko
Center for Plant Medicine Research.
Center for Plant Medicine Research. There's a more yika free.
Me pachan.
Naka crepe. Center for Plant Medicine Research. All right. Doc, na boko die.
Pacho, we be aboko.
Yeah, that trade ampunyankopon ase. Anye bia no COVID ba ye enkoma ye di ye ne de ati ye pesi hu se bia no kre ana se enye no kre se amanfo aye bibiduro ni nuru ahodo de meka se nuru ahodo submitting no be the bam ho se mo akire hwese betimi coronavirus yare na bibisa ba
me pacho bibisa di 45 years.
Okay.
Na ye 45th anniversary celebration. Me bo question ano na ye wi a menua bia ama ebeka ye anniversary.
No problem. Mo de ye din komo
na question na obisa no yampa coronavirus no ehia no ye nuanom a omoye ebibidro dodoara na omopese omoboa nti omoye nrubibre in fact ebikra ye di fa Ministry of Health and ministry no so edi ebrand say ye hwehwem ebi mu so omo amu di bre direct say ye na eba ebibidro researcher ye nti ye hwehwem na hwehwe say ebetumi virus na ye se ana eba no na enuama mienu na ye hwe ho edi symptoms we ase wo yare symptoms na aboa na nkasa so ewo ho no na symptoms na ebi ni se bia wo coffee wuti oya wo banya temperature wo yembehwe all those things enti no ye one side na virus na cause symptoms na nkasa so ho no enti two things obetumi anya edru a ebetumi a reduce symptoms na ebetumi a eliminate symptoms no na edru a eno so ebetumi mboawa na nkasa eyi efi hon na essence eye infitiase gidigidi a nyina ye hwe ye pese yenya edru no ana eye difficult say ebenya nia straight away ebetumi ni nyina ye hwem no dodoara na ye nuanu ma wo ye bibidro omudi bre ye hwem no na dodoara bi ewo hono a etumi symptoms no nti enu say ye tro e de koma ye ye nhwehwem wie na tro de koma ministry ni say na no ye betumi use virus na nkasa no ye frɛ bibi in mercy and friend say self limiting our body no is programmed to overcome the virus. It is unya virus no na we immune system no ye okay a obetumi a live beyond 14 days with chances of surviving no high because our body na betumi a fight virus no. Inti indua ebetumi ama symptom no abafam no very important because ebetumi aboa
ama survive this 14 days na ye can
then eventually no your own body will be able to overcome.
So you will recover.
You will recover. Inti yes, nukai ndra ye nuanum amuye mbibidru ediba no dodoara etumi reduce symptoms no. In a way no, in the absence of nothing at all, these are okay. So at least a bit to me abo.
It is an more the ministry no.
Oh, sure.
Na you do be saying?
So me kaya ye ebe keka ko be 11. But right.
Ana ni nyina obeka say ni efficacy no ewo eye symptoms no so no na very effective.
Sure.
Ba say ya nsheda ante ho asem.
No unsheda ante ho asem sa because say na me kira say no two things. And the truth of the matter, so we share cure ankasa there, not management. See, in medicine there's a difference between management and treatment or cure. Ni I share say benya cure no, not management. Nti sa 11 we are making the condition so that you don't deteriorate and eventually pass away. Nti na difficult say ye bebo hu de rama obia to say yanya treatment and yanya cure, but to manage the condition in there there were a number of individual to me eboa
de mutimi ebo etire ehwe hu say o etimi manage limit the effect of yade no modern penifo no mo bo etire hwe say omo yusu ye
say make me aka say to a large extent, you know, you see won say the way help your government hospitals you follow rigid standard of care no. There were a lot of private practice. Now if you put away rigid standard of care, every health institution has its own way of dealing with their patients. So as far as I know, there are a number of healthcare institutions who use herbal preparation to manage their patients. Yes. Oh, sure.
Mama mrem kakra na say ama aso nim kasa so na no awo papa. We be say maybe say omo ankasa de baaye any the farm ministry baaye no de na na edoso.
The free ministry baaye no na edoso, but individuals so na more. And that was because also in the peak of COVID-19, the free ministry baaye was more or less like sponsored by the ministry. And mefa kunya we sunamada yem paying for us because eba ne sa no test ye ni na ya nsheda and jiska because ideally oba na obetesi edura ye ji wo sika ye wo fie wo se wutia, but because na ye nyina ye pe ni ye nti ye de boa amount for, but majority eba ye was from private people.
Test and I say mu hwehwem nam hu say ampa Bruni kase efficacious so say like it's me yare no nsunsanso na mu kasire nipa no e de mano ma ne kwose ne se de obidie duro ba obepese mu behwe no mu agi atum na ode awakoye adwuma no na mu ye ne sa na say because of say de yare ne city no mu anye no sa mu amfa the same procedure.
On say oba ye ho na most of the time na yanko for abibidro for onya de ba ho na or say an autumn cross you man ponfo agimedro no atum. Emu say oba ye ho be ye test no e bia wa pass ni nyina, but then you need the power to authorize it. Yes, say bia ye ni bebre cotton wa bontin. Ye de awia e kodru
e de mo hwe se eye adwuma
me pa chan.
Etum ye wia
eko FDA for honom. And e kodru FDA for nso ho a mo nso won hwehwemu kakra omo ye ansa na the amount certificate no say produce and go to FDA. Na
FDA for money omo won kita ho die se bia se de wo kan wo hwehwem ya dan se bo e ko omo ho te ko omo ho na omo hwehwemu num ne se omo be nkrata asem no e omo sa bo bibia chi omo ho biam.
Okay, one thing is say ye ni FDA for edi nkita ho because currently FDA serve your board, so that shows that there is a collaborative relationship between the two organizations. But then we are omo no mo to me so mbema wo krata say fakoton wedru no nti sometimes no obia ye independent institution nti eba ne sa na e wo say we confined there e wo say we nti we wo the area you hand it over to the next person.
All right. Doc, masaba ho biem said they okay amakra so boss so say edru ba na say hwemu am ye kra na mo nyi sika because ni nyina ye hwe say e benya bibia e ba beboa ye ni aso yare na because yakan egudem obi ntimi nkwa adwuma ye nya ye yenkwa asore ne ho keka ho eti asat now ye ka say ya enu e ba mo ho no mo ne ade yi ye nhye dan hu bi e wo system num say at least ya project ana say ya gia tum say na ekure no enye mo wanwa
wo bibia yeti say if you are where we are enye wanwa
position no
wo ye position enye wanwa na mefa wesu na maka afa edru ayankasa yesusu ye pese ye for covid no na mi cheche mu wi a ebema wo hu say enye wanwa bibia ye wo sisia drug development no it take time. It takes time to develop a drug. Na essence say we yaribia ba a pandemic say kunko in a lot of countries, a lot of people in a lot of countries.
And I know like bibi fofra ibi ma wi asinti no.
Inti enu instance na ka drug development it takes time pa. Inti another kind circumstance ye try say be bibia ye be no very fast. Inti ufa just for example share we are saying now it is just beginning of this month and US drug making company baku edru UK for a license for oral in fact 2 months after this omo register 2 drugs injectables inti ufa even the global stage where there is a lot of money to do research and
resources
everything. In terms of drug, no, it's just 4th of this month, and yeah, licensing a first oral drug for COVID-19. Inti se udi buy ya femwa in a way limited in terms of resources. Ba se obey research ni kekanwa enye nwanwa at all. Na stage ye was is meka ye mampon. Yankasa ye set out say ye be ye drew to come me sure say be ebe no na to come anti ye start here no the normal process we study the virus, we study the etiology, the biology of the virus, and we look at a number of plants were antiviral activity, and we selected a few. I say ye share virus in behavior near ya a bit to me, and ya develop BB. Straight away before we develop, we say, oh yeah, BB I no preclinical studies. And no, you are looking at laboratory animals. You want to study them and see, say, so the adrenoma one, a bit to me, na. Then 2, so the mama will it have any effect? Toxic effect. It is a study, so bonnie be very good. So study, so yeah, and we as so yeah, draw the money panel. Animal work, say we take it time now, very, very well. Until we on our part were able to finish that. We got some good activity and all that, but you see, to license a drug, say na American, say FDA be license here drug mouse say for a particular part we did was I do say stage we are in the lab work na you say a bit me aboano. You FDA one register 2 products as immune boosters. The idea is this. Me catch earlier say to me enya bibia ebe boa with symptoms now. Yes. Help you. Yeah. Okay, so that was the idea, and the FDA agreed with us, and they registered these 2 drugs, Immunim and Ampofort, for
Ampofort. Okay.
Yes.
Because the Ampofort,
oh, Ampofort. Oh, okay. Oku Ampofort. Ofi mampona.
Mimi frasante mampona.
Oh, okay. Nyakapim. Okay. Actually, I read you. Yeah, founder, Dr. Oku Ampofort. Into onona, that is the stage we are. Nedi my FDA no na any omo nkomode mo muti assess okay then for the meantime na you need data for clinical trial no you register as immune boosters into buy a clinical administer to improve the immune system, but also for COVID patients, our mobile clinic, we administer to them.
And response, need to say,
good. Good.
I say, one can numbers and if I say, maybe a more booby items or material.
Oh, okay. I know you say in your clinic for the data, but good. Response, good.
More useful for how long?
So we had a marketing authorization somewhere in November, April this year.
It is since then more useful and munya nsusan so boni bia na bibia.
No.
That means me worry say I say yen yankasa no your self esteem, your confidence na believe say you betimi aye na say wo fom pa. It ye hwabrofo no kakra hwe na ye de na atete chiri.
There be any firm. Sena makano, you see, if you are where we are, you are a scientific institution, you have to do things. Backed by data.
Sure.
In fact, we are putting together the data and go to the FDA and do clinical trials.
All right.
These two I'm talking about.
And also for COVID.
Yes, and also for COVID. COVID clinical trial. And we a product or an old product. Repurposing.
Okay.
Repurposing for COVID. Until currently we are taking it through.
All right. I say, and come on, you also any more debate, but your time now can you say? Remember, about one anniversary. Was it 45 years? Hey, CCA. Any 1 year?
Yeah, did 46.
46.
This year, near 46.
Okay.
It's the 45th anniversary, there was a last year.
Oh, but COVID. Yes, mafia will be out. It's a fina moyeno. It's a who I want to say.
It's your best start. Yes, start say 22nd October.
Okay.
That was last month. It's a no. On say somewhere made of the year, Aban introduce together with Forestry Commission introduce Green Ghana, Green Ghana initiative. In see, yeah, so I'm say. Yeah, Juma, and without plans, yet me any research bia. Yeah, the huji munti. As part of preparations towards science will engage in tree planting exercise. So some few schools be on the reach.
Okay.
That's demonstration school for the blind, Ukriapiman, and the others. And now, as part of a corporate social responsibility, that's we Juma one pattern where we say some faswa. It's science some donations being so mad. That was in October. And your best start say again the other day by grand day by 30th November. That's Tuesday.
Saturday we by
Tuesday.
Tuesday we by week.
Me pacha nti a drone na doc e kan no afei na officially e ba be pa ho ntoma nti sada na e be
ye mo de treat COVID kakra wo ho ya
pacha iminim ne ample 40
okay
nti sada no na ye be pa drone ho ntoma ma wiase nyina ehu ye be no mampon ya so ye honom na afei sada na so se de na doc e kan no research ne ye research nso de ye disika na ye nti Sada no say e so launch endowment fund
bi na mo de
Africa. So ye de be
many pen for be kan ya time kakra bi o morning show no so no ba no ba beto aso na aya mo nton sam frɛ so ne mra ne mehwɛ de om ye se de ofu de apa ne pia no
ye be fa konya so na ye invite mo nti aya mo mra
yate Dr. Kofi Donko, head of innovation and research na Ines Ama Opon na ote se ye usibudi no foforo ne ye de
Center for Plant Medicine Research
and one titi abidi na na se ampo je ye de common besi adomo a 30th ye nyina ebekọ ye mampon akuapem na yakota wo machi amadwumadie no mo agi ama na ye fe covid na meka se adwene mbepie kroma o na aba no